Okay.
E-commerce website designing, corporate website designing, email marketing, emails, hosting, database development.
I have a card, I'm sorry. I've run out completely. Sorry about that, but you have my contacts. Yes.
It was just a research project on university after I came to.
That's our Facebook and Instagram page, and our product. We have about 60 employer that are women.
Yes.
Yeah, that make this handicraft.
Okay.
دیگه در سال 2019 شروع کردیم. فعلا صادرات ما در استرالیا، آمریکا، اروپا هست که مشتری داریم.
Yeah, they founded their business in 2019,
yes.
And they have employed more than 60 women who directly and indirectly work with them. And they are, for the time being, they're exporting their products, their handmade products to Australia,
آمریکا، اروپا.
USA and Europe.
Okay. Okay. Good. So how has Daria helped you in this?
دریا خیلی خوب بود. ما از طریق سوشال میدیا آشنا شدیم. بسیار موضوعات خوب یاد گرفتیم. در بخش‌های تکنیکی بسیار ما رو کمک کرد. ما وقتی که در دریا بودیم تعداد کارمندان کمتر بود، ولی بعد از اون ما تکرار در دیکور آوردیم و تعداد کارمندای ما زیاد شد. همچنان مشتریایی که داخل از خارج از کشور بودن تعداد ارتباطات زیادتر گرفتیم.
Daria has been very proactive for them, particularly it was very learning in terms of technical skills for them. They could learn a lot of things from Daria. And in terms of social media presence, website, this has been very helpful.
Marketing.
Yes. Daria helped them to have mass marketing and social media and to be present on this social media. And even if in the market linkages that has been, Daria helped them because before Daria they didn't have exports to other countries, particularly USA, Europe. So Daria has been so much helpful for them.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much indeed.
My name is
Stool maker.
Stoolmaker.
Okay, stool maker. Okay, yes.
Precious systems.
Yes.
ما قدر انگلیسی رو نمیفهم سید. ما حکاک هستم. حکاک یه چی میگه من نمیفهم. Artist for stool.
Okay.
I make it an animal, satranj, table.
Okay.
And other.
Yes. So you're the artist.
Artist.
Are you
like this one's.
Okay. Yes.
This black stool.
So this is what I'll see in the market. Okay. So is this for domestic market or international market?
Yeah, but داخل مفروش یا بیرون؟
نه ایره ما مشتری داریم میخرن میبرن خارج سودا میکنن. اینجا تو نیست فعلا این کار رو قدر چیز نداره.
They produce for international markets. But there are some suppliers, some individuals, dealers that they sell, they buy from them and then they transfer the
From Lepes, Akik, another like this crystal.
Yes. Okay. So where is your main market?
اما مارکت اصلی خود کجا هست؟ یا داخلش یا بیرون؟
فروشات بیشتر در تایلند و کانادا و استرالیا است.
کانادا، تایلند.
اینجا من یک کارخانه دارم تقریبا 12 نفر که این کار میکنه. شاگرداست. فروش خارجی داریم، داخلی فروش نمیشه. از جامعه مال میخرن پس انتقال میتن خارج، خصوصا تایلند. از تایلند باز از تایلند میره جرمنی و کانادا و استرالیا، از اینجا نمیره مستقیم.
It sells internationally and their main market is Thailand, and then from Thailand that will be distributed to other countries, particularly.
Okay, so you're wholesalers as well. You're selling to.
From the فروش هستی؟ شکل عمده تولید
نه.
می‌فروشی؟
نه به شکل عمده نیست.
That's a-
مشتری که فرمایش بده برای مالش آماده میکنیم، مال خود میگیره میره.
That's a demand-based order.
Okay, okay.
He has a production unit, 10 to 12 people work with him.
Okay.
And then they receive orders from customers because they already have customers and people know them.
Yeah.
So then they give them some orders and
Okay.
the designs.
Yes.
Then they produce and sell them. And they take to the Thailand and from Thailand they distribute to the other
Okay.
countries.
Okay. Okay.
With Mr. Al-Sabi, our trainer.
Thank you. So, what was the training today?
It was all about digital marketing.
Okay.
Yeah, digital marketing in Afghanistan
Yes.
is very important.
Yes.
So we are doing marketing, but the digital marketing is very, very important and result-oriented based. So this is Fazil Rahman Qasimi, founder and president of iClick Agency,
Yeah.
a full-service marketing agency with offices in Afghanistan and Canada.
Okay.
We are doing full complete graphic design services,
Yes.
complete web solutions,
Okay.
e-commerce website designing, corporate website designing, email marketing, emails, hosting, database development, and we are doing video production, motion graphics, video editing, videography and photography. And also we are doing printing services.
Okay.
And also we are providing both marketing, the digital one and the billboard one.
Okay.
We have billboards in Kabul, Afghanistan,
okay.
more than 120 billboards in Kabul city, and also in 34 provinces. And also we are doing digital marketing, SEO, SEM, pay-per-clicks, Google ads, mobile ads, smartphone ads, any type of digital marketing. Plus, we are doing online solutions, social media management. We are working with UNHCR, AKF, more Afghanistan, AIB Bank, Azizi Bank, Gazanfar Bank, with many more clients in Australia, in UK, in USA, in Dubai.
What are you doing with the UNHCR and AKT?
We have designed the illustrations.
Okay.
Illustrations, graphic design, illustrations, and these things. We have created the illustration from the 0 to 100 with the pencil. With the pencil, we sketch it, then we submit it to the UNHCR. So there was a person by the name of Rose Michelle, and they were very satisfied with us. We have their feedbacks. So then we digitalize it.
Yes.
Then we designed it in the flyers and brochures, and we submit to them. They used it.
Okay.
Okay. And also in the video productions, we have worked with AIB Bank, Gazanfar Bank. We have retainer contracts with them. And also we work with AKF in video production, graphic designing, and marketing. And
How
also
long have you
printing.
worked with Daria then?
With Dario, so we did not work with them, but I'm cooperating with them.
As a mentor.
As a mentor, yeah.
Okay.
Covering the sessions in order to provide information to the digital marketing terms as a person that has the experience of digital marketing both in Canada and in Afghanistan. Our office in Canada located in Halifax, Nova Scotia. No, the main office is in Kabul.
Okay.
So we have established the Canada office since 2 years. Yeah,
Okay.
that is the new one.
Yes.
But the main headquarters is in Kabul.
Okay.
I have my team in Turkey too. Yes, in Turkey we have the team. In Kabul we are more than 35 persons working in Kabul office, and 5 to 6 person in Canada, and 2 person in Turkey.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are one-stop shop. We are one-stop shop for all types of businesses.
Yes.
And also we have received an email. There is a project, EU funding. They want to do digital marketing. It is like a survey to find out how is the digital marketing, how is the advertising going on. I can share the specific and the details. So if you provide me your email, maybe they can help us in order to provide our RFP or proposal, comprehensive proposal for them, and we hope to receive that.
Yeah.
But we really need your help. So I'm very happy to have you, and nice to be connected with you.
I don't have a card, I'm sorry. I've run out completely. Sorry about that, but you have my contacts. Yes. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank
indeed.
you. Thank you
so much
very
indeed.
much. Thank you.
Yes, sorry. Where did Sarah go? Oh, she's here. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, yes. Oh, yes, good.
Did you meet this guy?
No, I think you met Sarah, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Already contacted Miss Mine and Miss Veronica
Okay.
about the my business. It was just research project on university. After I came to area, I have changed it. I have changed a business
Yes.
and how to make a product, how to sell it, and now we are already on the research to make it a better product.
So what is it's prosthetics? Yes.
Prosthetics, robotic prosthetic hand for disabled individuals in Afghanistan.
Yes.
Yes,
Then I remember I spoke to my colleagues about it. Yes.
okay.
Yeah.
Already organization like ICRC or Handicap International, they're making just like a mold for the people.
Yes.
It's not efficient and not functional to use it for people. And already in other countries, they have robotics hand, they're like very efficient and it's good for physically for disabled. And we want to make it in Afghanistan.
Yes.
Make it better, make it good. And already we are working on the agriculture technologies
Okay.
and on the modern irrigation system like rain irrigation system to make agriculture better. Our focus is on Kushti Pakano because when it starts, we want to make it better and make it modern technologies.
Okay. So it's not just prosthetics.
Yeah. We are working in two sectors.
Those two sectors.
Yeah.
Okay. Well.
And I will, very soon, I will make all proposals in the first prototype of the rain irrigation system, and I will send it, inshallah, very soon for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much indeed.
Thank you.
So much. Okay. Myself, Renee Hansen, I'm the head of team working on private sector development and economic development in the EU delegation here in Kabul. With me I have Sarah, who's an economist. I have Mr. Safi, who's also an economist and an agricultural specialist. So we're here to see what Daria is doing. We've had a very nice introduction and discussion with the team, but we felt that if we did not interrupt you in your training, we would also like to have a word with you if we can. Not in a training setting, but if you are okay, we will go and talk to you a little bit about your businesses and your experiences, if that's okay. Thank you so much.
Before you go, I would like to introduce our expert, Mr. Fazalrahman Qasimi. He runs a digital marketing company, and today he delivered the digital marketing strategy.
Excellent.
Okay, so thank you, sir. Renee will talk with you guys
so
for a
much.
few minutes. The floor is yours.